Hello, this is Decimal, and today I will be reviewing Lore. Lore is a two-voice analog synth. Each voice is a triangle core oscillator with pitch, level, and wave shape control. Quick disclosure, Lore was given to me by Crow's Electromusic for review at no cost, but the creator has no say in the content of this video, so let's get into it. Lore is USB-C powered. It has a headphone stereo out and a volume wheel. The slider controls the level of each voice. There is also a pitch knob, one for each voice as well. Below is a wave knob that will change the wave shape from triangle to square, from left to right. There is also a modulation switch that will switch voice 1 from making sounds to the modulation of the frequency of voice 2. By mixing all these inputs, you can achieve quite an interesting sound. The LED flashes as feedback is a nice touch. Now where I think the Lore really shines is when you route additional effects on it. In this example, I'm using the Korg NTS1 as an effects processor. With these additional effects, you can start creating huge experimental ambient sounds that sound almost like the Lyra 8, but in a smaller package. This synthesizer is pretty simple, and it is a small drone synth that packs a big punch. You won't get anything musical from this device, but it works well as an experimental ambient drone synth. I really enjoyed the retro bleeps that you can get while using this device. I love its small form factor, but I think combining it with an effects processor is pretty essential to get more out of the synth. Although this is pretty normal because I use additional effects with all my drone synthesizers. I did think having some modular routing points like the Bastel Castle would be super interesting feature to have. I think routing points would have increased the scope of the synth and added another layer of glitchiness. However, the modding potential for this device is quite huge. I have some interesting mods I would like to try on the synth in the future. The creator of Lore is also the creator of Ovum, so I would highly suggest you check out my review of Ovum as well. I also want to mention that I met the creator of Lore and Ovum at an event in Vancouver, and he is a super genuine and awesome dude that is passionate about making these devices. So he's a small creator, and Crow Electromusic is a one-man team. I love supporting small creators, so I'll put a link to the Lore and Ovum down below. Please take a look at his stuff and support him like you are supporting me, another small creator. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.